Hello kids, welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn letter T. This is uppercase T and this is lowercase t. T is for tiger. 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 Tiger means cheetah. T is for tortoise. Tortoise. Tortoise means kachua. T is for table. Table. Table means maze. T is for toffee. Toffee. Toffee means toffee. Let's write letter T. Okay. Go to the top and draw a sleeping line. Okay. And draw a standing line. This is uppercase T. Go to the top and draw a standing line and a small curve. Okay. And a small sleeping line. This is lowercase t. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.